Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. I know we took a little bit of a detour over the past couple weeks doing the fertility journey series, but we are back with some fun, lighthearted fashion content for you. So before we get started, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. It is my goal that by the end of 2021, we will have 1,000 subscribers on this channel. I know I have over 1,000 of you on Instagram and Facebook, so I just gotta get you guys to come to the dark side on YouTube because it's so much fun. Okay, so today we're doing an unboxing video and I'm so excited. Again, I saved all the content so I would have 2 boxes to share you. Ooh, actually I have a third that I want to share as well. So get excited for that. So I'm going to kick it off with my April New York & Company haul. Now, I will say my New York & Company box came about a week or 2 before my White House Black Market box. So I actually have worn one of these pieces already because me and Jordan did date night on Friday night because we were just like in dire need of one. I don't know if you guys are the same, but because we don't have kids, I feel like it's super easy to not do date night because it's like we hang out together every night basically. So this is date night every night. But it is really good to just like be intentional and get out and go to dinner, not have our phones, and actually like stare into each other's eyes and talk over a nice meal. It was very lovely. So of course I wanted to wear something special for date night. So I wore this new skirt that I got from New York & Company. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at this. It is so beautiful. I'll show you up close. It's got accordion pleats. So that's just like a built-in pleat that's steamed into the fabric, which makes it really fun and flouncy. I love the pattern. I know it's a little bit 80s and I'm not generally like an 80s gal, but I just thought all the colors were so bright and, you know, me being part Hispanic, I always love anything that feels a little bit reminiscent of that, like a little bit flamenco vibes, you know? So love this skirt. I just wore it with a black blousey sleeveless top and it looked fabulous, if I may say so myself. A nice bold red lip. So love that one. I'm excited to go take photos in this one and share it with all of you guys on Instagram. I think you will love it. I'll definitely be using that red dancer emoji. Okay, next up, I wanted to get something because this was a heavy skirt month for me. I wanted to get something to pair with them. So like I said, for date night, I wore a black shirt that I already owned. Part of the reason for that was because I did not trust myself eating spaghetti in a new white shirt when I had not gone and taken the official photos for the product yet. So this one is a bodysuit in white. How pretty is that? So you'll notice this like blousey cross front detail is the exact same as one from my February haul, but that one was 3/4 sleeve and this one is like the sleeveless summer version. So I got the 3/4 sleeve in yellow because I love a good bold color. And this one is just a nice white one that I can pair with all sorts of things. So it could go with that last skirt that I tried on or our next skirt. So I'm really excited about this next one. For those that don't know, my 30th birthday is coming up next month and I'm doing a really fun boho brunch hosted by one of my dear friends, Rachel. I'm really excited because I was actually really dreading my 30th birthday because just I had always dreamed that I'd be a mom by 30 and clearly, as you know, that has not happened yet. So I was really not excited about it until my friend Rachel offered to throw me a birthday party and I already have 1, maybe 2 friends flying in for it. So I'm officially getting excited. Maybe still not excited about the number, but I'm excited about birthday weekend. So the party, Rachel wanted me to pick a theme. So I went with like Palm Springs because, you know, it's in the springtime, so kind of like spring breaky, but I love Palm Springs because it's a little bit retro, which I love. It's a little bit tropical, which is also fun because we wanted to do like a little drink station that has virgin and alcoholic beverages. And if you do something tropical, there's like, I didn't really like alcohol, and especially trying to get pregnant, I'm not really drinking much alcohol, not that I do anyways, but there's the only kind of alcoholic beverages that I like are the ones that you like get in Hawaii with all the pineapples and all the fruity things in them. So I tell you all of that because I may or may not be wearing this skirt for my birthday party because it definitely gives me those like Palm Springs summer vibes, and just the silhouette of it, how it really hugs in the waist and then is like goes around the hips. I think it's going to be very like va 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 boom, which that is what I'm going for my 30th birthday. I want to look fabulous, and just this tropical print with this pink and then the palm fronds over the top. It's also super silky. I just think this is going to be fabulous. So I would definitely be pairing this with that white bodysuit, and this may be my birthday look. Stay tuned. I'm just loving it. So about that birthday party, I'm thinking, I haven't done a lot of vlogging, but I'm thinking I may vlog birthday weekend. So comment down below if that's something that you'd like to see. I just have a feeling the birthday party Rachel puts on is going to be too fabulous not to document. So we'll probably be doing that. Oh, so this next one, I did something really fun last month, and there's always so many things at N.Y&Co. that I want to buy every single month. So I actually let you guys vote on my Instagram. I will link my Instagram somewhere on here. If you're not already following me, be sure to follow me there because it was really fun. I posted a bunch of items that I really liked from N.Y&Co. and let you guys vote on what items you liked best and what ones I should get. So these 3 items were ones that I was just like, have to have, can't pass up. And this next dress was the one you guys chose. So I actually spent a little bit more this month than I usually do. I get a discount from N.Y&Co., but anything above that threshold I have to pay for. So I went a little bit higher this month because you guys were obsessed with this dress. I wish I could remember how many of you guys voted that I needed this dress, but it was like well and above anything else, except for there was a super cozy like terry 2-piece set, which you guys also loved, but I went with the dress because it's so much more springy. And for photo shoots, I just thought this would be a really fun one to go take on photo shoots. So we've got all the like trees and stuff blooming now. So I'm really excited to go shoot this one. So it is a blue and white floral print dress. It's got the gorgeous ties at the shoulder here. And I think it will probably be just below the knee. And then it's got this ruffle hem here. So you guys did a great job on this one. This is so cute, so spring. Again, I think this will make for some great photos. And you picked it, so I really hope you like it. But I generally do my purchases from N.Y&Co. like the first 5 or 10 days of the month. I know that's kind of a broad range, but that's when you're going to want to keep an eye on my stories for voting on what items to get next month, because I have been perusing the new arrivals already because I think May is about a week away. So I'll be scoping that out next week, and I'm gonna want your feedback. So be sure to be tuned in so you can help me decide. Next up, we've got this big old box from White House Black Market that I'm gonna try and figure out how to open. Okay, so I think I explained this last month, but if this is your first unboxing video, with N.Y&Co., I get a code and I get to pick out whatever items I want. Anything above that threshold I pay for. With White House Black Market, I just send them a list of items from their new arrivals that I like, and then it's up to them to send me whatever they choose. So these may be items I picked, they may be something different. We're about to find out. Ooh. I'm so excited. So if you watched my haul last month, there was a blousey shirt in a poppy print that I'm obsessed with. I've already worn it. I think I wore it in the last video I posted, but they came out with even more poppy print items and I am obsessed. So I'm about to have a ton of this poppy printed product in my wardrobe. So this first one is a beautiful off the shoulder top, again in that poppy print. It's got the elastic up top, so it should stay on very nice. It's got long sleeves, again with the bubble sleeve. I love a good bubble sleeve. I don't know why, I just think it's so fun and elegant. Next, we have another poppy print. This one, I believe, is the dress. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh, I've already seen some people post this dress online and I'm obsessed with it. It is a full-length wrap dress with the tie waist detailing here. And if you can see on that sleeve, it is a long sleeve, but it's sheer. So it's got a lot of airflow for if you're wearing it in like a warmer climate. And I just think this is so gorgeous. Again, it's White House Black Market has the most high quality clothing. So all of these pieces are just impeccable. So I'm one of those people that would rather spend money on clothing than jewelry. So I don't have a lot of jewelry right now. So I actually perused their jewelry section and they sent me a few of those items that are going to pair perfectly with those last two pieces. So first up, we have these earrings. I just think these are so gorgeous. So if you can't tell, green is my favorite color. I think I will always have something in my unboxings that are green. These are the coolest earrings I've ever seen in my life. This is a leather covered hoop, if that's focused, yep, with the gold piece up top. I just think these are so beautiful. They're so unique. I love a good hoop earring, but I've never seen someone do a hoop that is covered in leather. I just think that is amazing, and that green will really pull out that green in the poppy print. So excited about that. Now, ooh, there's a couple more in here. So I also chose a pair of gorgeous sunglasses because I'm really in need of a pair of good sunglasses. And I don't know if it's because Rachel Zoe is like my fashion idol, but I've always been a fan of like oversized sunglasses. So I got these oversized sunglasses in like an olive green. Okay, can you see that? Oh my gosh. And I have a baby head, so I have a hard time with sunglasses, and these actually fit super great. I'm really excited about these. Yay! Okay, so that green, again, I think I'll pair that with the maxi for when I go do a little photo shoot with these. They're just so glamorous, so fabulous. And there's something else in here. Ooh, it's just like a little sleek clutch. So you can see that it says a White House Black Market. I don't know if you can tell that, but it's like embossed in the front there. And it is so tiny. Like, look how thin that is. That is so teeny tiny, but then you open it up, unfolds a couple times, and then you've got just enough space in there for like your credit cards, your ID, whatever you need. And then it's just super sleek and closes with a magnet. So love that. That is so fun. That's one of those things that they just threw in there for me. I didn't even see that on the website. So really excited. Oh, and of course, a little case or a little White House Black Market sunglass cleaner wipe. So fabulous. I'm so grateful. Again, I mentioned this last month. I just cannot believe that only doing this 4 months that I have 2 companies that are willing to send me product to create content for them. I'm just so excited, and 2 companies that really truly fit my vibe, my aesthetic. I'm all about like classy workwear, streetwear, something a little more elevated and elegant, but also at a good price point, which I feel like both of these brands do a great job with. So I have one last item that I wanted to share with you, so I will be right back. Okay, last but not least, I wanted to show you one other item that I got this month. I don't think I've told you guys about Mercari before. So if you've never used Mercari, it is an app that you can use to sell items in your closet or around your home that you no longer use. So me and Jordan started doing this around honestly, it's probably been a year. We started sometime during quarantine because we just both did a big closet clean out. I do a closet clean out. If you watch my closet organization video, which I will link down below, you'll see that I do that little by little all the time. I don't generally like go through and overhaul my wardrobe, but during quarantine there wasn't a lot else to do, so I really went through and got rid of items that I just wasn't loving anymore, and I was able to get Jordan to do the same. So just over the course of a year of getting rid of items in our wardrobe that we weren't wearing, we have made over $600, which I mean is not a huge amount for the course of a year, but hey, that's $600 that's just sitting in our closet not getting worn. So highly recommend, if you've never used the Mercari app, I would recommend that you do. And on one of my recent sales, sometimes I will allow myself, you know, to kind of do a trade. So I sold a couple items, had some money sitting around in my account, so I let myself make a purchase. So this is a dress by Who What Wear. I believe they're sold through Target. And it is just a gorgeous, like retro inspired wrap dress. I'll get up close. So it's this beautiful emerald green color, and then it's got the floral print in the navy and yellow, and it has this gorgeous tie around the waist, and it's about midi length, like 3/4 length skirt. And it is so beautiful, so comfortable. It is very silky. So I wore this to the office last week, one of the 2 days I went into the office, and got lots of compliments on it. So absolutely love this one. I also wanted to give a shout out to the gal I bought this from. So some people use it like me and just sell things from their closet. Other people even do it as a business. So I got this dress from Retro Factory, and it came like beautifully wrapped with a handwritten note thanking me for shopping her store. And it's just really cool that people are able to kind of have a side hustle or a business with reselling clothes like that. Anyways, absolutely love this dress. I wanted to share that with you, and also share the Mercari platform with you as well, because I know I'm very budget conscious, and I'm sure some of you are as well. So if you're someone who hates paying full price for things, highly recommend that you check out the Mercari app. You can find some great stuff on there. And speaking of discount codes, if you shop on New&Co, I have my affiliate link in the description box below, but make sure at checkout you use the code Cassie10 and you'll get an additional discount off of your purchase. So thank you for joining me today for another fun unboxing video. I think the next video we have coming out will be going back to our pageant roots. I mentioned when I did the vlog about the Oregon and Washington pageant that I wanted to answer your guys' questions on what it's like to be a judge, what I look for when I'm judging a competition, so you know if you're competing what to work on and what the judges want to see. So that, I think, is the next video I have coming out for you. And then following that, we have Miss Universe coming up. It is actually on my birthday, so I'm considering that a birthday gift from the Miss Universe organization. And I'm going to be doing my first ever Miss Universe predictions video. I've been working very hard on scouring all of the social pages. I've read every single bio. I watched all of their up-close videos. And not to toot my own horn, but I usually get those about 50 to 75% of them correct as far as semifinalists go. So really excited to share that with you. And make sure, again, you like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the fun content coming your way, and follow me on Instagram as well if you want to be more in the know with the day-to-day things going on in my life. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.